Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off your profile for storage on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on my information authorizations. Then you come here to next window, and you just click here on system permissions, and you come to a next window here, you just click here on storage. Then you come to a next window and you go down, then you click here on my profile. Then this window is going to show for you. You click here on this color or this mark, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean your profile it's turned off for storage now. I wish now you I get it, so that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.